All right, nice February 92-degree day. A little bit of south wind. Quite a few airplanes in the traffic. I'm getting a late jump today. I just finished helping a buddy get on his annual on a Taylor craft, and we had some brake issues we had to fix. But we're at a stopping point on that, so it's time to go. I try to fly this thing every day if I'm at the airport. So fuel's on. I've already done the pre-flight around the airplane. We're gonna give her 3 shots of primer and we should be good to go. Clear. Needed 4 shots of primer. We've got oil pressure, oil temp will be a little bit. Make sure we're ready to go here. Get all buttoned up in case we go upside down. Alright, I'm going to check the right brake, check the left brake, check both brakes, and we're ready to go. Make sure we got full range of motion, everything looks good. Let's taxi on out. Turn on the radio. I know there's at least 3 airplanes, maybe 4 airplanes in the pattern today. So I'll try to work in them around them. I'll be tarting on the grass because it's easier on the tires. And it makes my takeoff and landings look better. There's one flight school trainee. It's going round and round and round and round. Jesus, much money as they charge those students. You think they could put a decent radio in the airplane. I'd rather you just opened the window and tried to holler. I've got just a Yaesu handheld with external antenna that sticks out just a dummy antenna with an extension cable that sticks out the bottom. I can receive from a long ways away, but I can only broadcast good about 4 or 5 miles, which is fine for me. I do a lot of listening and avoiding. Unless I go into an airport I'm not familiar with, then I'll do a lot of talking, because I'm usually moving a heck of a lot faster than they think I am, and I'm definitely running a lot smaller pattern than they do. I just prefer to keep it super small, so if something quits I can still make the runway. Some of these schools, they're literally doing 2-mile patterns, which, my goodness, I guess the students aren't paying by the landing. Go all the way to the end, as I wanted to warm up a little bit more. I thought the oil temp would come up a little quicker since it's so stinking hot outside, but it's not creeping up yet. I got a pretty big oil cooler on the front to because I fly every day, and you know, last summer there were some days where, you know, takeoff temperature is 104, 105. Well, that's a much better radio. I should be ready here in a minute. See what this guy behind me is doing. Oh, he must have been a touch and go. Let's ground the left mag. That looks good. Ground the right mag. That looks good. It's carb heat. And I shut her down with mixer control, so I know that's working. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Traffic, experimental biplane 2 Charlie Hotel departing Nebraska. 16 south departure customer. Okay, make sure we clear the lights there. Let's go.